In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to buy Eigen coins on OKX wallet. This is important because they are integral to the EigenLayer protocol, which enhances Ethereum's network by allowing users to restake their assets. To do this, simply head to your OKX wallet. You will want to tap on Tokens. In the search bar, search for Eigen. Select the Eigen token in the Ethereum blockchain. You will see the overall statistics. Now to get yourself some Eigen coins, just tap on Trade. As you can see, it shows I'm buying the Eigen coins. Down below, I should enter the coins I'm paying with. Let's say I want to buy the Eigen coins with my USDT, I'll just have to tap right here and select USDT. Enter the amount to coins you want to spend and select right here to proceed with the buying. That's how easy it is to buy Eigen coins on OKX exchange. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.